just leaving Portsmouth, as I just said. Just for you who are not from around the neck of the woods. That's UK mainland. Right up to there as far as you can see. And if I turn round, that there is the gap in between, so the Solent meets the English Channel. And then this over here is the Isle of Wight, which is a little island off the south coast of the UK. About 70 miles round. Yeah, we're going right up to the edge of it, where the needles are. Be back soon. There's Jack. James driving.
Yeah, who's driving the boat at this point? Jack doesn't have his steering wheel. That's Jack.
One of them flopping around.
That's it, mate.
Oh, right there, flopping out of the water.
There you go, Jack. Let's go again.
There you
We
go.
go again.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm just holding that away.
Just wash
All
it
right,
out.
there you go. Caught in that again. No. 10 seconds. There you go. And then just jiggle it about a bit as well. Do everything you...
Go to the boat there, James. Just a little bit more left.
Tickets, please.
There you go, mate.
Move to the back of the boat. Tickets, please. See, we've got a professional tournament fisherman, Jack, with us today. And I've noticed these other fishing boats around us, they saw Jack coming out here today and they knew that Jack knew where the fish were, so they followed us out.
Yeah.
Come on, Jack, look at that. Every time you drop that over the side, you're bringing fish in.
Keep that up. You can put that in your belly down there underneath your legs. Put it underneath your legs there. Yeah? Yeah? And then that'll make it a lot easier.
Sorry, Tony, I found a new fishing partner.
Oh, like, oh, bass! Bass, look.
Oh, I've got a bass and a
Reel up a
mackerel.
little bit more.
I've got a mixed
Reel up
grill.
a little bit more, Jack, yeah? Then you can pull them over. Yeah, it's your fish. Yeah, your rod. Right, we'll do the fish, you do the rod.
This is what we call a mixed grill.
Now this is a bass now, look. Let me show you little things on these
One
bass.
bass and one mackerel. That's amazing going, Jack. You sure you haven't done this before?
What I have.
Yeah, I see, look. It's a little bass. They grow spikes there. Really sharp. And you feel it. You just feel there. You just feel that there.
Spiky.
Yeah.
Feel it?
Yes,
And
mine.
they do hurt when they wriggle.
Yeah. That's what's jumping about in the water there.
They chase the whitebait to the surface, and that's when the
Yeah.
seagulls come down and catch the whitebait.
Yeah. What a spot, huh?
Yeah.
He's got that, look.
Yeah, he's hauling them in.
All in there.
Hauling them in. That's what we do.
Yeah.
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Can you do the jiggle?
I've got one, I've got one.
How many?
Probably one. Oh, maybe more than one.
One this time goes a strong one. That one, isn't it?
That's it. Keep going up with it. Keep going up with your line. Let me time that clutch up.
Yeah, that's
Now,
right.
now do it. Now wind him up here, one straight up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's it.
Got that one. You give me a shout when it gets a bit more serious, when Jack's got 3 or 4 or 5 in one go.
Alright. There you go again.
Look at that sharp plotter. Look at the sonar.
Unbelievable, isn't it?
Got it, got it.
Yeah. That's it, mate. Jesus.
That's a flying fish, that one.
Do you reckon that's the same one? Do you reckon it's the
No.
same one?
I don't think the last one had wings on it. This one has. They're fully developed wings.
It's a nice sized bass, that, Jack.
With the spikes on them. Trying to get them. So here we have a route.
Oh,
Plenty of bass here, plenty of mackerel. Unbelievable.
something. Yeah.
Already.
Yes, got it.
No.
Oh, it's gone.
Yeah.
Oh no, you lost the first one.
You ain't in
Unlucky, mate.
the water, you're not fishing.
You can't win them all.
Something like that. Why don't you catch them? Why don't you Keep it up down. Don't really. Go down. Go down. Go down.
Catch the fast catch,
Right. Stick it on and then go up down the rock.
Yeah,
You catch one.
Oh, yeah, got it.
Yeah, yeah.
How fast is that?
Unbelievable.
That's faster than your granddad and faster than me. So I'd say,
No, it's fast.
My standard. Don't worry about that. There's no problem with them. They're quite hardy.
they're underneath us on the sonar. It's just going ballistic in here.
Right, weren't they? Who wants river fishing, eh? And you can catch fish like this. You got to see all day. Something that's a 905. I think that's a 7, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's a new 705, I think. I'm just trying to work it out. It's Quicksilver, whatever.
About 120 grand. Oh, no, lost count.
Right, got it. Got it.
Leave him.
Fishing vessel Daniel August 2, fishing vessel Daniel August 2, this is the fishery protection vessel Ocean Falcon, fishery protection vessel Ocean Falcon, channel 16,
Why do I keep catching fast?
There is a fishery protection vessel in the area,
Request Charger Canal D.
which is good.
Put it down a little bit longer.
Yeah, you might go through the back then into the mackerel.
That's right, go deeper.
What's the depth here, James?
Got it.
47 foot.
Is it? Hang on, it could be mackerel, we reckon the way it's going. We've got a few of them. Try and keep that nice and smooth, Jack. Nice and smooth. Yeah, mackerel. Not too bad.
Catching!
No, what's that? A scad?
Ah, it's horse mackerel.
God, he's after the species.
that's 3 in about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Species.
Grab that, because they're bloody hard to get hold of. Get rid of that bass. We'll keep that one.
Do we keep that one? Down
Yeah,
the
he's a
bottom?
horse mackerel. See, he's different again to these.
Yeah, much different.
Yeah.
Horse mackerel you wouldn't eat yourself. They're a lot
You can tell he's got
tougher,
a
but
horse mouth.
they're good cod bait, good
You can tell
cod
he's got a
bait.
horse mouth.
Tell he's a horse mackerel.
Totally eat them as well, no problem.
Listen.
He could smell the bran that you made in the bucket yesterday.
They're harder in the tank as well. What's that? Yeah. I'd do it with the rod through the arm. Through there, James. Hello, Jack. Through there, look.
Oh, yeah, that's coming.
You in?
Can you get 4 at a time? You're gonna need lots of mackerel, yes. Well done.
Into the horse mackerel. Yeah, give us that cross, Jack. Cheers, mate. Oh, mackerel, that is?
Yeah, real mackerel.
Oh, lovely job.
They're up 2 mackerel.
One's a real mackerel,
Who?
one's a
Oh, wait,
horse.
no, one's the
One's a horse. Horse mackerel.
Look how fast he's
I
caught
didn't
that.
know that mackerel's called James, did you?
He looks like
That Grandad said, sorry James, and he dropped him on the floor.
Oh no, but I think
That
it's
must be
because
his name. James the mackerel.
Roger.
I think it's Jack the mackerel today. Jack the mackerel catcher. There's no point in me and your granddad getting a fishing rod out because
No.
we wouldn't be able to keep up with the speed you're catching them.
got it.
Load of scad down there, isn't there?
Is that a song, Scad? Ow, I got hooked by a hooker. Ow.
You all right, Jack?
Me? Oh, hello.
That was graceful, wasn't it?
Did you get your finger on the hook?
Got my finger on the hook. First blood.
See how long it takes to catch one then.
Got it.
Ready?
You in?
You don't need to put it in.
I don't think you're in,
I'm in
Jack. You're not in.
Huh?
Drop it down. Yeah, you can see you wouldn't be freely in that quick.
away. That's a big one.
Won't be long. Remember, just drop it down there, Jack, and then jig the rod.
You had a look at this sonar, Tony.
Oh yeah, let's have a look. Just show you the sonar, what we got here, what we're sitting on. There's full of mackerel, scad and bass. Absolutely full of them. Unbelievable.
Broken up remains. of
Probably the
main
best.
fish.
Probably the best.
Best fisherman that's ever been
Yeah.
on this boat.
First or second
Spot we've been in, isn't it, for this sort of. Funny how you in?
Oh, that's a monster.
Oh, he's a bit bloody.
What's that then? Big old scad.
They're massive, aren't
Biggest fish yet.
they? Well done, Jack.
Oh, you're in there. Jesus Christ.
Was he a superstar?
Last time I-
Look at the shark block.
It's cool then.
It's the sonar now.
I've never seen it like it before.
Oh, another one. Oh, Jesus Christ. I got a whale mackerel. I got a whale mackerel.
That's
There's only a mackerel.
That's another flying mackerel. Oh, ow! Oh, ow!
No.
Keep it nice and still, Jack.
You think mine had me fighting? Ow, and again. Claw it, a little wiggle of this one.
Right.
Right, this time, even if I catch one, I'm just gonna leave it.
We've got enough there now, so we'll catch them out of there. I
One
reckon.
mouthful of pressure shark.
No, no, we can use. Imagine if you look at that, look at that. Imagine if we just come out here to bag the freezer up. Be good, wouldn't it? Good session, wouldn't it? 3 of us doing it. Imagine it. Get about 50 mackerel in about an hour, wouldn't you?
Easily with 3 of you doing it, of course. Oh,
Some bloke was telling me the other day, I was reading all the forums and stuff, he's saying it's hard to catch mackerel.
depends where you are.
Let me give you my
It's
top
very
tip.
hard from your bedroom.
Let me
From
give
the
you my
sofa.
top tip. Come here.
Yeah. Come out and fishing with Jack.
What the-
Come out with Fisherman
Oh,
Jack.
Jesus Christ!
Oh, stop my thumb. That's 1 mil to the... Oh, what's
Oh,
it
he's got
going
2.
now?
Mackerel and a scad. Nice one, Jack.
Oh no!
Oh,
Just watch the, he's got it, I think. He's got it, I think. Has he got it? Has the paving platform saved it? It has, yay!
tricky one as well.
Sorry about that, dude. I kind of went and left it all over there and it's popped off.
That worked well. I'm going to change that water over now. I'll sort that out. Well, we'll be back later when we're out fresher shark fishing. See you later. Pulled in.
JP, you're on channel 16, I'd like to taxi.
Nice and smooth.
JP's on channel 16.
All right, mate?
Assisting in the pan.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, what's happening down here?
You can get that hand up there, Jack. You might find that a bit easier. That's it. Now we're right. All right. Is that a bit too far for you? Right.
Like riding a seesaw.
What's he got?
Well,
80 foot.
I think it's a fish called Wanda. Oh, hello. Now this other one's just woke up as well.
It's a fish called Pugger. Take a look.
Come on, Jack. Nice bit of stamina, mate. Remember to come back.
Oh, I can see your one.
Yeah.
Doggy. I think we've got something dog cooking.
Dog, you know. But wait to do the job. Wind in a bit more. Wind in a bit more. Go on. Oh, that's it. And lift him up. And I'll bring him over. And I'll put the line.
Oh, hang on, come on.
Right.
So that would have been.
Hey.
Hey!
Well done. Mine just played off.
Get hold of that.
What can I do?
Yeah. Put that over the back of his head.
He bites now.
Ah,
But the skin is like sandpaper.
It's soft.
yeah.
Oh, it's sandpaper.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's not.
Can someone hold on to this?
Just grab hold of the weight. You let that down now, Jack. Let it down.
I don't know how to. I can't reach
It
it.
is spinning now.
Got the rock.
Stick that one duck's head on.
Have we got anything here like at the school, Jack? I've got one out of mine.
I've got a pair of flies down there.
Oh yeah, yeah.
See him?
Yeah. You sit down there, Jack.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, that makes two of us.
If you let that down, if you let that down, the weight will slide down, won't it? That's it. You leave it on there. That's fine. That's fine. Don't go in there. Just wanna.
Watch out behind you, Jake.
Yeah, no drama. No drama. No drama.
One way, smooth, and one way, literally.
Oh, that's
sandpaper.
like one of those t-shirts, isn't it? It's like one of those t-shirts.
T-shirts.
Like, do you know the t-shirt which you do up and it goes into a different colour and then you put it down and it's soft and it goes to a different colour?
Oh, right.
Yeah, kind of like that.
You got no teeth. Fucking bone.
Yeah. Look at his eyes, oh nice, isn't it?
Beautiful eyes when I open them.
Yeah, massive girls. Oh, look at that.
He
Be good if they might have been eaten.
just used Tiny's hand as a toilet.
He won't come back and get you. He looked like he will, but he won't get you.
He won't, he can't reach the
Well,
right.
show him the camera. Show him the camera. It's your first fish, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just. You can grab him there. Grab him there.
Let me just move that
Yeah,
rod
that's
out.
it. It's quite strong for a little fish.
Yeah.
And just go up there,
Look at
one
that.
little dogfish, laying down. So you can see him. That's it. Like that. There you go. Nice little dogfish. Well done, Jack.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Go on.
That's it.
Nice to put him back.
Very gracefully
3
put
miles
back into
away.
the ocean. They're quite tufty little
I was
things.
only chucked him a lot, but he's in the Pacific now.
Well, I wanted him to get back to where he was, you know what I mean?
I wanted him to get back to where he was.
Well, that's why I got him, so I wanted to move him back over
I
there.
never thought of that logical explanation.
Well done, mate.
Yeah,
Well done, Jack.
Let's see so you can catch some more of
Let's
those.
see if you can get one 10 times bigger. And then that will be a laugh.
Let's see if we can get your granddad unhooking them for you all afternoon long.
Yeah.
Like that. That's been too
Good
long.
fun. Yeah, you put the other bit on there, James. Go in and cut it off.
Watch him come back up for that.
Look, you've got a big side
Right,
slab
no,
of
I
mackerel
don't even
going
know
on
what
there.
I'm doing.
I'd love to hold this.
This Jack's ready for a new one.
New what?
New
So
car.
you're just going to do this tomorrow as well?
Yeah, we might go down Tottenham Bay tomorrow, like James said. And it's inshore, so it's not too rough.
Will we catch these type of fish, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice, that wasn't as hard as I thought it would be.
No, not too bad, huh? In 80 foot of water as well, quite deep.
Yeah.
So you have to reel it in a lot.
Right, yeah, you seem to forget, don't you, that the weights are heavy, because we're strong,
Yeah.
obviously.
Yeah.
At the end, it's not very tightened, is it? So
At the end, what, when it gets
at the
near-
end, it's very
Yeah.
soft to bring
Yeah,
up. So
that's
you
'cause
can't just
it-
got to pull it up.
That's right, yeah. You've gone through all the water, all through the half
And
bit.
also they're a bit more fighting when
Yeah.
they're down the bottom.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, not as a dog would fight, but it'd be nice to catch something else.
Did you know dogfish is actually a catfish?
I'm just going to put this in here so we don't get a hook to the butter on it. Okay?
Not a catfish like, you know, like a Wells cat from the
Yeah.
River, but it's a cat. Cool, guys. Catty lappy.
Like this, yeah? Leave that in there.
Yeah, if that, you've done a fishing with that, yeah.
I'm not done fishing with it.
No, then, like now.
As I was rudely interrupted with my...
Well, that'd be alright, you're not fishing with that.
You don't like it, did you? Well, mate, I'll let you go on your own now, right?
Alright, sounds good.
Your own balance. So, start off.
I'm getting on. He's definitely on there though.
Is this?
Yeah, definitely, 100%.
Yeah.
Unless I've got some mackerel that's like beefy.
Okay.
Beefy mackerel. Oh, Jesus!
You called?
Fully. That's it, nice Jack that is. Oh yeah, he's heavy, isn't he? be a little toad. Hello, he's falling over now.
I'm going for a swim.
If you're going to work out, you want to go to the gym tonight, Jack?
I will after today.
Do you go to the gym quite often?
No, I don't use it. Not much weight though.
There he is. Doggy. That's it, that's it.
You can eat them.
Me.
Well done. You caught it. Third time of asking. Well done.
Look. Line the corner of the mouth. Hello. Up line
This
and
guy's trying to slap you, isn't
Let's get that there.
it? Second one.
Feeling better now, Jack?
I'm feeling bad. Oh,
Oh, emergency.
16.
Pac-Man.
That's going to be us. Report, 14-year-old catching
Right.
too many dogfish.
Rest your rod down there, Jack. Right, wait and go out.
Pan, pan.
Grab him there, on that hand. Grab him underneath there, underneath them 2 wings there. That's it, underneath there, yeah?
I got
And he can't bite you, alright? Just hold him out. You can
Look
keep,
at this.
Hey, well done, Jack.
Look at that.
if you hold him
Yeah.
underneath there, look, back there, he can't bite you.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it. And you've got him now, you can stretch him out straight. And he looks good, yeah?
Get a picture.
You give us my phone in there.
Hello.
Up there.
Oh, look, he's got nice big eyes,
Yeah,
doesn't he?
lovely,
There you go,
lovely eyes now. Beautiful eyes.
We'll count this as my first one.
That's your first one that
That's
you've
my
landed.
Ready, Jack? Go over there to the sunshine. Here, look. Here, look. Here, the sun's up here, look. So I've got to go over here.
Oh, he's proper leaking.
Yeah, go over there. Small, isn't it?
What's he leaking?
There you go, mate. Hold him up.
Oh, the
Just
sun,
put him
no,
that
the
way a
sun.
bit. Put him that way a
The
bit.
sun there.
That's it. And push him out to me. Push the fish out to me. That's it, like that. That's bang on. Right.
The sun, though.
So, smile. And another one. Nice one, Jack.
Can you put my sunglasses on? I want to get a better picture.
Oh, look cool.
Yeah, I don't want to look weird.
Oh no, of course not. Look, Sammy's on.
You.
Cool.
Cool, bloody
Oh.
thing,
Right, shall I hold him on the tail again and some more?
All stations.
isn't it?
All stations. This is
Yeah.
Solent Coast Guard. Solent Coast Guard.
Hello.
Solent
Wait,
Coast
video.
Guard.
Yeah, video.
Solent Coast Guard requests
Yeah, this side,
pilots
Jack.
consider conducting radio checks.
You're my second one.
National Coast Watch Institution
Good.
on VHF
Well done, mate.
Yeah.
5
Well, okay,
between the hours of 10:00
Jumping over the rod.
and 16:00.
Whatever that is. What is that?
Well done.
Requesting a radio check. Should hail
What's he eating?
NCI on VHF.
Is eating all the crisps?
He's eating Pringles.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, come on.
rod.
Hey, mate.
Station.
Okay.
I will reply.
Jack,
that's right.
I'll leave that out here, actually.
Solent Coast Guard.
That's it, you got it.
Yeah. Bleeding finger off, didn't it? Oh, sir. What flavour are they? Oh, your hot stuff.
No, barbecue.
Oh, nice. What flavour? Just give it. Cheers, James.
I need to get wash my hands. I wash my hands over the side.
Denver Jarvis, this is Solent Coast Guard. Request you change channel 0 and stand by. Over.
Yeah, you got some garlic.
Yeah, video. Yeah, this side, Jack. Over here.
Hi, buddy.
Nice and easy.
Do my second one.
He's gone.
Look at that.
Well done, mate.
Sick. Oh, okay, first one, yeah. Rods. Yes. I'm jumping over the rod.
Might have a bit. Show something on there by flicking.
Bobcat, this is your jury. Over.
Oh, no.
Get that back out there, Jack. Jack, yeah. What we do, Jack, see if we can get something bigger, is we'll put a head on her. You know what I mean?
Very good fishing, Jack, today, mate. Very good.
Teach us how to do it, isn't he?
He is.
I've caught, let me think, that one, that one, that one.
I've caught
That
myself
one.
on the hook.
I've caught none. Jack, how many you caught?
About 20.
You have 20 mackerel.
Yeah, 20 mackerel.
No, you're sort of winning in the moment. Without a shadow of a doubt.
Well, we won't count my mackerel then. Let's just count my
Doggies,
Fish.
real fish.
let's just count, yeah.
They're all real fish.
This is just banging against it. Cut myself.
Ah, what a hook.
Yeah, hook.
Just
Yeah, I might not, yeah.
right, got a nice little thing there.
Can I get a cold tango?
Yeah, have a look, mate.
That was nice.
I think there's one in there actually. I'll put one in there for you.
Cheers.
Yes, please.
I'm serving beer now. Getting
You'd come more often. A nice one.
Try and get the cold one. Right, Jack, at the
Yeah,
bottom.
he's got that dug out one out from the bottom. To make a great bartender.
I did this at Mum's wedding actually.
What, you had
What,
to
fishing?
collect the beers looking for people?
Serving drinks.
Oh, did you?
Yeah,
Did you, what, you were like the bar person, were you?
pretty much, yeah.
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 So you got experience then, at being a barman. Cheers, thanks. That's good.
God, I start eating these.
But
My
this is the
tongue
first
is
time you've been a
absolutely
barman
burning
afloat.
off.
I think there's a TV programme, isn't it? It's called Below
I said
Decks.
you can have a sip.
Yeah, I don't want to play with that.
Yeah, that's probably gone in there.
Yeah,
That.
they'd be alright, Jack. They'll sting out, well. They sting, they do. Well, it is, Jack, with the salt water, look, it does it good.
Does it good?
Yeah.
Bugs. What's now behind you?
Yeah, you can have another go at mackerel, are you?
What?
I've seen you're multitask, multi-talented.
What's James got that I haven't got? I didn't get a bit.
I've got, what have I got that you haven't got? We've talked about dogfish.
I'm alright.
It's Solent Coast Guard. Solent Coast Guard. Solent Coast Guard. Over.
Right, let's move
That's
tomorrow.
it. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus, you're right. Salt water bloody stings.
Yeah, well, you get that in a cup.
Oh,
That's good for you, though. Cleaning it.
Apart from the mercury, the salmonella and
yeah, cholera.
the cholera and the effluent discharge that they do on
Yeah.
South
Freshwater beach.
Yeah. You done it. You got it. Other than that,
God, you're they are. Oh, yeah.
oh, how would I say?
You're like tender now.
So yeah, in the Victorian era, the Solent was full of oysters.
Is it? Yeah.
They kept the water really clean. So the
Yeah.
filter feeders like mussels.
Of course, we farmed them all, and that's
Yeah.
that's done. I put a slightly bigger bait on, Jack, so I'm hoping to catch something a bit bigger.
And in the 1970s, there was NATO shark.
Yeah, right.
I'm gonna let this dolphin down.
Doing my head in.
Try and catch an actual
Actual mackerel. Like a real actual one. He's getting tired. Don't let him move.
Hi, people.
Good. Still going strong, right? Good. What's your what fish do you prefer catching, mackerel or dogfish?
dogfish.
Do you?
100%.
Do you know dogfish is what they sell in fish and chip shops? I don't call it dogfish, of course.
We just call it cold.
No, rock salmon,
Yeah, what's
Rocky salmon.
rocky bella.
fish and chip shop posh name, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a dogfish, no one
Yeah,
will
I
bite it,
get
don't
That's
it?
right, yeah. It's actually quite nice, really, isn't it?
I just wonder where all the pollock goes to, you know? Because no one ever sells pollock, do they?
Unless you go down Dagenham and Cornwall.
They eat it down
Yeah,
there.
oh, they love
But
it, yeah. They don't
They
expect
must
it.
be selling that as pollock. They must be, surely. It's weird, you don't go in a fish and chip shop and say pollock and chips, you know what I mean? And you don't sell it in any supermarket, really. So where does, and you catch 10 pollock to 1 cod?
And it tastes better.
So I think it tastes the same really.
It's just a bit sweeter.
Is it? Yeah, right.
I suppose it depends where
Well, I'm
you
saying with cod and pollock, they're the same family, aren't they? Do you know?
Yeah, and the same ling and
Yeah.
coldfish and hake,
Yeah.
they're all from the
But they
cod
haven't
family.
cod hasn't got really much flavour, is it? That's why really it's light.
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't
Because-
smell
no,
or taste
exactly.
fishy.
When
does it?
when Jack he tasted that
take this
mackerel, I
out of
thought he was gonna yeah. I didn't
But
think he was gonna
that's
like
not
it.
fishy. Mackerel's a unique sort of flavour, really.
Yeah,
isn't it? That's
it's oily, isn't it?
part of the tuna
He
family.
liked it, didn't he? Where is it? Better brave it. I've got no tablets for that one.
Pulp must taste alright. Well, that's part of the cod family.
Oh yeah. Some people say cat food. My mate used to say that. Cat food. It goes soft, doesn't it, by the end of the day. If you don't gut it straight away, it's very soft meat.
Yeah.
Out.
Ours was mackerel.
Good
Yeah,
cod
you liked
bait.
it, didn't you?
That was amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have
I
you
see
not
your
got
mum
a
frying. I
plaster?
see your mum frying
Have you
it.
not got a tiny plaster?
Yeah, I've probably got a plaster. Do you want a plaster?
Yeah,
You
it
get it
is
where?
kind of plaster.
Where are they? I'll pass them to you.
In the first aid kit, there's somewhere in there. I think it's on the right there, James.
On the right.
On the right there. Green.
On this side.
Green, yeah.
Oh, I see. You're right, mate.
Yeah.
I'm glad you know your boat, Captain.
Yeah, thank you. Hello, what's that?
Do you want your whole bag, or do you want me to dig a plaster? You have a look.
You dig the basket.
I don't really think I need salmon for that.
Sounds long.
Yeah, I might do that.
Let's have a look.
Might in my
Let's
bag.
have a look at it.
Tiny, it's tiny, but bloody hell, this thing's going to go in the salt water.
Oh yeah, that's good. So that'll be fine.
Yeah, I know. Just a tiny one will do.
What's the date on that first aid kit?
1975. Still in date.
36 years, are you joking?
No, I bought it. Not sure
Wait,
when I
no.
bought the boat, it's about a year old.
My math's right. 1975.
What was?
When was that? 1975.
Yeah.
Oh, so yeah, my maths is wrong.
Yeah, I was joking there. There's no set of plasters in there for a thing. Loads of them. Yeah, I'll
I can
definitely
do
do
it. I
it.
can do it, it's fine.
No, I'll do it.
I know how to do it.
I'm first aider.
I reckon.
Sure?
COVID restrictions means that they have to put their own plasters on there.
Well, no, you've got to do it right. Don't do it too tight, Jack.
Okay, well
was
I
it
have
a
to
frog?
open it, put the soft bit on the
We
wound,
meant,
and
I
then
meant
put
to open it
over
like
my-
that, not touch it. Put it on you, wrap one round and wrap the other round without touching the...
Put the soft bit on the wound.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you see the wound?
Let me do it, Jack. You won't be able to do it with one finger, will you? Let me do it, mate.
This boy's talented.
Oh, let me do it. Come here. You're making me like that.
Ellen,
So you touching it? It won't be sticky now. It's in the middle it undoes, Jack. Jack. In the middle of the plaster. That's it. Okay. Right. Let's have a look, Jack.
Got it.
Okay. You alright?
Oh, I'll get down a bit.
You're alright. The only thing is when them hooks go into the bar, then you've got a problem.
yeah. That is right. Then it hurts.
Yeah, then it hurts.